Hello all, welcome to YTTA Learning. In this video, we're going to explore 2 beginner-friendly ways to execute Python code using the interactive REPL environment and running Python scripts. If you're new to Python, this session will help you understand, write, and run Python code with confidence. Let's get started. Before we write any Python code, it's important to know what executing code actually means. Plus, we'll see why there are different ways to run your code. This foundation will help you use Python smoothly in any environment. Executing Python code is all about running instructions, so your computer can perform specific tasks. There are 2 main ways: interactive execution using REPL, and file-based execution using scripts. REPL lets you run commands one at a time, while scripts run a whole file of code step. Talk about the REPL. It's a simple interactive environment where you can type and run Python code one line at a time. Perfect for experimenting and learning as you go. REPL stands for Read, Evaluate, Print, and Loop. Here's how it works. It reads your input, evaluates the Python command, prints the result, and then loops back for more input. You get instant feedback, making it super beginner-friendly. If Python is installed on your device, type IDLE in search bar. It will open the idle prompt. The highlighted icon represents the idle prompt. Let's see it in action. Here I give an instruction. I type print instruction with hello text with in brackets and quotation marks. When I hit enter, the instructions is being read, then evaluated. After evaluation, output is printed on the screen and the prompt is back to form the loop. Now let's move on to the script method. Scripts are files where you write Python code and run everything at once. This is great for bigger programs or tasks you want to repeat. A Python script is just a plain text file saved with a .py extension. It contains your Python code, and you can store, organize, and share your scripts for automated execution in different projects. To write a Python script, use a text editor or an IDE like idle or VS Code. Once you're done, save your file with that .py extension so it's recognized as a Python script, ready to run and develop further. Let's see how to create and run a script. In idle, go to File, then New File. Type your instructions to execute. You can add a bunch of commands together. Next, go to File and Save. Once you save your file will have an extension of .py, and also you can see where it is saved from the title bar. To run the script, just go to Run and select Run module. Easy. In this video, we have seen demos for computer-based execution. We'll be back soon with phone-based execution, so stay tuned. For more videos, subscribe to YTTA Learning and don't forget to like, share, and collaborate with your friends. See you in the next video.